Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy or duplicate projects in the CapCut PC. So in here, I've already opened my CapCut PC, and let's say I want to copy this projects right here. So I want to copy this because I want to keep the previous changes that I did into this in this project, but I want to also add some progress. So here I'm going to show you how you can duplicate the project. So just right click on the projects here and there will be this duplicate button. So you can just tap on this, and after that there will be these copied versions of the projects that I selected before. So not only the video here that is copied, but there are other materials that you have on the projects that you copy, and it will be copied into this also. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.